Welcome to a world of cozy bohemian charm this holiday season. If you're looking to add a creative and stylish touch to your Christmas decor, tassels are a perfect choice. These versatile embellishments can instantly bring warmth, texture, and a boho vibe to your festive setup. In this video, we'll explore some stunning tassel Christmas decor ideas that you can easily DIY or incorporate into your home. Let's get inspired. Felt star ornament with tassels. Create felt star ornaments with embroidery and beads, then add tassels to make them pop. Perfect for a personal touch to your tree. Pearl and bead ornaments. Add tassels to pearl and bead ornaments for a sophisticated gland tree design. These chic decorations are perfect for a romantic holiday look. Large red tassels with wooden beads. Bold red tassels paired with wooden beads can make your tree vibrant and cohesive, especially when matched with a red tree skirt. Burgundy star ornament with beaded tassel. An embroidered burgundy star accented with a beaded tassel adds a bold yet chic element to your tree. Crocheted ornaments with tassels. If you're skilled in crochet, knitting, or macrame, create intricate ornaments and enhance them with tassels for a boho twist. Rhinestone-adorned tassels. Large tassels embellished with rhinestones offer a sophisticated alternative to traditional bows, making your tree truly stand out. Wooden bead and colorful tassel ornaments. Combine wooden beads with colorful tassels for a simple yet stunning boho-style Christmas tree. Macrame star with tassel. Craft a macrame star ornament with a tassel for a neutral yet charming boho decoration, ideal for minimalist spaces. Bold red tassels as tree accents. Large red tassels can replace traditional velvet bows, adding a bold pop of color and texture to your tree. Tassel-composed ornaments. Tassels can serve as standalone ornaments or be customized in any color and size to match your tree's theme. Gold tassel ornaments. Gold tassels are a shiny, glamorous addition, especially against a black, white, or dark green Christmas tree. Macrame wreath ornament with tassel. Add a large tassel and bow to a macrame wreath ornament for a boho chic look, perfect for walls or mantles. Tinsel tassels. Use tinsel to craft tassels that add a touch of sparkle and shine to your tree. Rhinestone and tassel ornaments. Combine rhinestones with tassels for a winter wonderland vibe that is both elegant and whimsical. Bead tassel ornaments. Mix bead tassels with unique decorations like apples, disco balls, and more for a playful tree design. Green tassels with mini stars. Design green tassels with beads and star accents to mimic mini Christmas trees. Use them as ornaments, garlands, or window decor. Croquette ornaments with tassels. Crocheted tree ornaments adorned with beads and tassels make for a creative and rustic boho tree design. Boho tree with tassels and garlands. Style your boho Christmas tree with large tassels, metallic ornaments, and wooden bead garlands for a cohesive, textured look. Scandinavian mantle with tassel garland. Decorate your mantle with a bead and green tassel garland, paired with a plywood Christmas village and evergreen accents for a Scandinavian touch. Tassels with wooden beads. Combine tassels with wooden beads of varying shapes to create versatile ornaments or garlands that exude boho charm. Tassels are an easy and versatile way to bring a boho vibe to your Christmas decor. From chic tree ornaments to garlands and wreaths, these ideas will transform your holiday space into a cozy bohemian retreat. Which idea is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive inspiration. See you next time and happy holidays!